If you're guessing what products to launch on eBay, you're probably going to lose. And instead of that, you can use a tool like ZIK Analytics to stop gambling and start making money with hard data. Just like I did right here, I found this within 60 seconds, and it's an ageless facelift. People want to buy this kind of stuff. It's in 15 carts. And guess what? They made 2,000 sales, right? 2,000 sold for almost $100 a piece. Right there, that's almost $200,000 they're making off this one product. And if this random person can do it, you can too. Obviously, you need to find products that are in high demand, right? There's not many tools that do this. So ZIK Analytics is my personal favorite. I haven't actually seen any really good other alternatives. Unfortunately, this is like the winner. The link's right in the description if you did want to sign up and get a discount. You can also get $1 free trial, which is a great start. They do $1 free trial because there's been like a lot of scammers that have been like making like 40 accounts, and it's been jamming up their system, so they make people pay for the trial. But this is the dashboard, and I put it in dark mode. But right when you go into the dashboard, this is all you really need to know. You've got some buttons. You've got the spy on eBay competitors, find your winning product, find hot niches, and you can do drop shipping, right? These are all great. I don't like drop shipping at all, so I'm not going to talk about this probably ever. But the other options I love. Now, what you can do is go to product research. I'm going to show you how I found it now. In product research, when you go, it's going to look like this. You can put through some filters. I don't even change it. I just leave it exactly the same, because if you go broad, it's a lot easier. So I went broad, and I heard about like looks maxing. And I heard about people getting facelifts and stuff when they get older. So I was like, okay, let's product research max. And I just typed in facelift. It's very broad. Right? You don't want to be super specific. You can see what I've been typing in: jaw, jawline, whatever. Now I'm going to click search. And this, right away, this was a winner, right? The jaw wasn't. That's why I'm not showing jaw, but facelift was. So I guess a lot of people want facelifts, and this has 2,000% sell-through. There's a 64% chance of success, pretty much, because there's 64% successful listings. Now they kind of, I guess, the percentage of listings that have at least one sale. Okay, that's how they determine success and how many items were sold. Now this was a huge trend probably during December, so that's why it's kind of like going down, but it's still steady. You can see the market share right here. So you can see who's the top seller. Now the top seller is going to be the Perfect Part and E2 Cosmetics. And guess what? Our person is called Floating Boat. There they are, Floating Boat. And they joined in 2016. So they've been doing this for 10 years practically. Now where's Floating Boat? So you can see that one product we saw that they're making $200,000. There they are, Floating Boat. And they only have 2% of the market share in this category, 2%. So that means that these people are making a lot. They're probably making around $3 million a year or more, which is very crazy. Now, what we can do is scroll down, and it's just going to tell you some of the top products, right? But what you can filter is the top sold. Okay, so this is how I found it so quick. Typed in facelift, scrolled down, went to the top sold, and then I just kind of like went through and saw what were the top selling items. Now, I don't like items that have a lower sell price. These aren't super low. See, these ones are okay. But this one stood out to me like a sore thumb, which was the one that I just showed you. You can just click on it, and there it goes. It takes you to the listing. And it stood out because of the price and the amount of sales. Like it's pretty significant that they're selling it for almost $100 a piece and people are buying it. You always want to try to find products like that on eBay. Now, what you can also do is filter it by the last 30 days. So that way you have, instead of I don't know if this is all time. I don't know how long this tracks it, but 30 days is going to obviously be more relevant. And right off the gate, we see this neck face lifting massager. Now, the issue with this for me is the price. Now that's in 64 cards, they're probably getting a ton of sales, 427 sold, but I'm just not a huge fan of the price. It is a great product to get reviews quick, so that's a part of it. But if we scroll down, I can see this product right here and this one. So there's two I like. There's this powerlifting pump cream because they're selling it for around 40 bucks, which is, I just like round up like 40, 50. And they've made 400 sales in the past 30 days, which is crazy. And right off the bat, we can see 20 sold in the past 24 hours. So I don't know how long that took me to find it, maybe 3 minutes. Well, I was explaining it to you, but if I was doing this myself, I could probably find this within 60 seconds. Once you find it, right, you find a winner, you're like, oh my gosh, obviously you want to write it down. You can find the manufacturer yourself via Google. That's a separate video. But what you're going to do is copy the actual seller's name. And there's this Hope Kills 18. Then you're going to go back to ZIK Analytics. You can keep this page open if you want, but we're going to jump into the competitor research tool right here. And I'm going to put in their name, right? Now, what this is showing me is every single, pretty much their products that they sell. It shows me the products that they sell. And they've got 534 items that Hope Kills sells specifically. Their sell-through rate is above 1,000. It's just completely insane. And then we can filter it again, right? Last 30 days, what's their top seller? And guess what? It's not the product we were looking at. The product we were looking at isn't even in the top 3 of their best sellers in the last 30 days, which is completely insane. This is their number one. And they have 75 sold in the past 24 hours on this item. 25 sold. And the reason why it wasn't showing up when we typed facelifts is because this isn't for facelift. So that's why when you find a winner, usually the seller has more winners. So you put that in, and instead of manually checking, ZIK Analytics it's just complete. I don't even know what the heck is this? Would they type in like a special secret word? Like, what is this? But they have 900 sold? That's something I'll have to look into. So they got like some secret product that they're like hiding. Either they had the correct title and they sold it, and then they changed the name so that way people couldn't see their sales or something. I don't know. They've got something down. They've got it down. That's what I know. They've got it down. So this is somebody that you should be looking at. I think it all speaks for itself. ZIK Analytics also have market analytics on eBay niches, trending eBay products, all that stuff. So you can product research max and generate as much sales as possible on eBay. If you need help on eBay, we are eBay experts. We're eBay consultants. We're also Amazon consultants. We know the platforms, we'll manage the platforms, and we'll help you generate sales. Not only that, obviously we do product research. We will help you find manufacturers, message them, do all the hard work for you so you can succeed. And if you need any help, the link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.